Yo, what's up? We out here on a Pacific Northwest adventure. It is MLK weekend. I'm at Mount Bachelor with Stephanie and Tim. It was storming all night. It's a little windy, definitely still a storm day. There's gonna be a lot of goods to be gotten. Can't wait to get after it.
All right, 2024, we're back down at the bottom of Cloud Chaser.
And that was some super rad storm day skiing at Mount Bachelor. A lot of fun, a lot of goods in the woods, and it was great. I can kind of get used to riding fresh snow every day of the season. 2024 is off to a pretty good start.